Welcome back to Community Roundup.
Dr. Vijay Maurya took over as chairman of the RP Board of Trustees, emphasizing financial responsibility, transparency, and long-term sustainability for the organization. Outgoing board chair Dr. Hetal Gaur was also recognized for strengthening the organization's financial stability and helping position RP for future growth. The convention also welcomed several new national office bearers, including President-elect Dr. Krishna Kumar, President-elect Dr. Srini R. Gangasni, Secretary Dr. Soumya Narvetala, Treasurer Dr. Raghu Lolbhat. A significant announcement during the convention came through the RP Global Foundation. Renowned physician and philanthropist Dr. Jagdish Gupta pledged a generous donation of $100,000 to strengthen the foundation's charitable and humanitarian initiatives. Dr. Gupta will also serve as chairman of the RP Global Foundation, reinforcing the organization's expanding commitment to global healthcare outreach. The convention featured an impressive lineup of keynote speakers who highlighted the importance of compassion, service, and holistic healthcare. D.D. Krishna of the Sadhu Vaswani Mission delivered an inspiring keynote on healing through compassion and selfless service, while Seed Guru Sri Siddheshwar Brahmeshik Guruvas spoke about wellness, spirituality, and mindful living. Daily heartfulness meditation sessions provided delegates with opportunities for reflection and mental well-being amid the busy scientific program. Innovation and the future of medicine remained key priorities throughout the convention. The CEO Forum brought together healthcare executives, physicians, and industry leaders to discuss healthcare innovation, policy, technology, and the future of patient care. Medical exhibits and product theaters showcase the latest advancements from leading healthcare companies, giving physicians first-hand exposure to emerging technologies and treatments. The Women's Forum, chaired by Dr. Kavita Jotula, focused on leadership, equity, and empowering women in medicine.
Here today, I really appreciate all the attendants coming here, and I really appreciate all the speakers who came all throughout the USA to make this forum successful. We really need this panel of Women Forum to be continued in API and all other medical associations. It really gives us a stage and opportunity for women physicians to perform and engage. And we have MSRF and YPS who has multiple programs who supports women physicians. As a Women Physicians Forum, we have multiple programs including forums, and we have cultural activities which brings all the API delegates together and continue support for us. Thank you so much.
One of the convention's keynote speakers, internationally renowned educationist and humanitarian Dr. Achyuta Samanta, praised RP as a global symbol of professional excellence and dedicated service to humanity. The convention also highlighted the important role philanthropy continues to play within the physician community. Beyond the scientific sessions and leadership discussions, the convention also celebrated the vibrant spirit of the Indian American community. Delegates enjoyed spectacular evening entertainment featuring live performances by Vishal Shekhar, API's Got Talent, colorful fashion shows, and a dazzling fireworks display, bringing the 4-day celebration to a memorable close. The cultural side of RPCon once again reflected the diversity and vibrancy of the Indian American community. As America celebrates its 250th anniversary, RP Convention 2026 demonstrated how Indian American physicians continue to make remarkable contributions not only in medicine, but also in leadership, education, philanthropy, research, and public service.
It's been an amazing journey in API for last 10 years. Started with convention co-chair at Marriott Marquis in New York. After that, I've been involved with the convention in Atlantic City, in Philadelphia, and this is my own convention. And we started our journey with Indian Consulate event on leadership. Then we did event at Akshardham. Then we did Ayurveda retreat. We did Global Health Summit. During my whole year, I have traveled all different chapters, alumni meeting. Reason being, we wanted to get the faith, unity back in API, and I have worked tremendously for that. We've raised funds for Board of Trustees. We have helped the EC, giving them loans to battle legal funds. We have given them operational account money. We've given them tons and tons of help and support so that EC's functioning goes very smoothly. And that has been our goal this time, to get the unity back, help everybody, bring everybody together.
So thank you so much for coming, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Fabulous. We have got celebrities. We have got a top celebrity standing next to me, Tampa Mayor, and she's the 59th mayor, and she's such a bipartisan mayor that you cannot imagine. In a Republican state, she's a Democrat and she's the mayor. That is, give it up for her. A completely Republican state, we have a Democrat mayor. I'm so proud. My daughter, okay, and then this is our incoming. Actually, she is the president from first. She is the president. Actually, she is going to. I'll hand over the gavel on Saturday. She is Meher Midavaram. She's the incoming president. She's from Chicago. Her convention is going to be in Chicago. And the next president coming up is Kishan Kumarji. Kishan Kumar is from New York, and he is all geared up, getting all excited. And then we have got another president coming up, Srini Gangasani. So we've got all four next. I've got 3 presidents, incoming presidents coming in. So I'm so glad. This is going to be an excellent picture.
Thank you, TV Asia. Thank you for all our viewers. This is phenomenal that we have API convention with 4 presidents coming and working in unison. Our unity is our strength. Our diversity is what makes us more special. And we love that we have Mayor here of Tampa. Unbelievable to have such prominent people to be here and welcoming us. Thank you, Mayor, really from my heart. So I won't keep you long, but this has been an awesome experience. API is now shining like a beacon star for all the physicians of Indian origin. We all welcome you. We would love to work together and take API to higher listen.
It's time for yet another quick break. Catch you on the other side.